Hello, Stargate fans, and welcome to this little side project. As you can see, it is a Stargate chess board with chess figures. This is really a small project, something that I came up with and wanted to make. So I basically made use of my 3D printed models, scaled them down, and made figures out of them for both, as you can see, Goauld and Tauri. Yes, the models would be way better on SLA printer. I don't have that, so I had to use my FDM. And but yeah, the it has a few setbacks, as you can see. For example, the 302, it doesn't even have the tail wings. That's because they are too thin, and in order to print them, I would have to do them thicker, and then it would look kind of bad. In any case, all the figures are attached at this stand for all the um, figures, I guess. Um, I also added text to each stand to immediately show what type of figure it is. So yeah, bishop, knight, rook, and so on. Anyway, yeah, it will be once again shared for free with the figures separate and the models separate, so you don't have to follow my layout when it comes to the which model will represent which figure. So that's up to you. And yeah, so this is my Stargate chess. I hope that you like it. As I said, it's very short. It was really a side project. So yeah, I hope you like it, and we will see each other in the next video. Bye bye.